Hi everybody, this is Aram from Eli-Chem. Today we're going to give you a video about Resi-Crete. We're going to do some detail about what the product does, how to use it, type of effects which you can create. For example, these pieces in front of me, and it's going to be really detailed step by step, showing you how to mix, how to apply. So lots to look forward to. Let's dive right in. Resi-Crete is an innovative fusion between a polymer resin and a cementitious compound. It's odorless, it's non-toxic, completely non-flammable, and very user-friendly. So Resi-Crete will give you the look and texture of a traditional concrete or a traditional cement, but without any weight or brittleness from those products. With resin you can't get height and structure and dimension, but with Resi-Crete it gives you that capability. The final cured material can give you a subtle and a pastel finish, especially with the concrete grey colours. You can apply it onto wood, MDF, canvas, aluminium, glass and stone. So when I open the bucket, I see the two components in here. I see the base powder and then the liquid activator. There's no real mixing ratio. You can tune it and adjust it yourself. So start by adding small amounts of activator, and then you can get the consistency that you desire. We're going to use two different colors on this one. We're going to start with a gray. And apply with a textured roller. As you can see, to get the patterned effect. When that's done and it's cured, we can then go over it with a second color to blend it and form much more of a texture approach. Sanding it, you can do with many different grades of sandpaper, starting with a fine, then moving to a coarse, and then even rounding off again with a fine one. If you want to use this for outdoor, you'd have to overcoat it with a clear resin, a UV stable clear resin, and to give it weathering and durability.